Hey there, fellow fruit enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel, where we explore the fascinating world of exotic fruits. Today, we have a real treat in store for you as we dive into the vibrant and delectable world of the Abiu fruit. Let's dive back to the origin of this fruit. The plant explorers Dorset, Schaemel, and Popino serene seeds for the United States Department of Agriculture in Bahia in 1914. This species has been planted numerous times at the Agriculture Research and Education Center, Homestead, Florida, but most of the young plants have been killed by frost cold. A small number of trees planted in 1953 fruited in 1962. The Abiu, scientifically known as Potaria caimito, is a tropical gem that hails from the Amazon rainforest and other regions of South America. Its luscious golden yellow skin, reminiscent of a radiant star, concealed a succulent flesh that's oh so creamy and sweet. Now, what sets the Abiu apart from other fruits is its velvety smoothness and custard-like consistency. Just imagine indulging in a spoonful of this tropical delight as it melts in your mouth, releasing a burst of tropical goodness that transports your taste buds to paradise. But that's not all. The Abiu fruit is not only a feast for the senses, but it also boasts an impressive array of health benefits. Packed with essential vitamins and minerals, it's a true nutritional powerhouse, supporting your immune system, promoting healthy digestion, and even boosting your skin's natural radiance. Whether you enjoy it fresh and chilled or incorporate it into smoothies, salads, or even tantalizing desserts, the Abiu fruit offers a world of culinary possibilities. Get ready to embark on a journey with us as we unravel the secrets and explore the myriad flavors of this tropical treasure. So, join us as we delve into the enchanting world of the Abiu fruit, from its origin and cultivation to delightful recipes and everything in between. Subscribe to our channel and hit that notification bell so you don't miss a single juicy episode. Let's dive in and discover the wonders of the Abiu fruit together. Nutrition values. The Abiu fruit, also known as Potaria caimito, not only entices our taste buds with its irresistible sweetness, but also offers a range of health benefits that are sure to leave you amazed. First and foremost, the Abiu fruit is low in calories, making it a guilt-free choice for those watching their waistline. With its natural sweetness and satisfying texture, it can be a delightful addition to a balanced diet. Let's take a closer look at the nutritional profile. Abiu fruit contains calories, carbohydrates, fiber, and protein. In addition to being a low-calorie option, the Abiu fruit is packed with essential vitamins and minerals. It is a good source of vitamin C, providing the recommended daily intake. Vitamin C is renowned for its immune-boosting properties, promoting a healthy immune system and protecting against illness. Furthermore, the Abiu fruit contains significant amounts of vitamin A, which is essential for maintaining healthy vision and supporting proper cell growth and development. But that's not all. The Abiu fruit also offers a range of other beneficial nutrients, including potassium, magnesium, and calcium. These minerals play vital roles in supporting proper heart function, maintaining strong bones, and regulating blood pressure. With its impressive nutritional profile, the Abiu fruit can be a fantastic addition to your daily diet. Enjoy it on its own, incorporate into smoothies, salads, or even use it as a topping for yogurt or oatmeal. The possibilities are endless. So, if you are looking for a delicious and nutritious way to satisfy your sweet tooth while boosting your overall health, look no further than the Abiu fruit. Availability of Abiu fruit. The Abiu is an occupant of the headquarters of the Amazon. It grows natural on the lower eastern slopes of the Andes, as of southwestern Venezuela to Peru. It is often cultivated in the region of Iquitos, Peru. Recipes. The Abiu fruit, with its creamy and sweet flesh, is not only a delightful tropical delicacy on its own, but it also lends itself beautifully to a range of delectable recipes. From refreshing beverages to scrumptious desserts, we've got you covered. First up, let's talk about the Abiu smoothie bowl. Imagine starting your day with a burst of tropical flavor and nourishing goodness. Blend together ripe Abiu fruit, a frozen banana, a splash of coconut milk, and some spinach for an extra nutrient boost. Top it off with your favorite fruits, granola, and a drizzle of honey. The result is a refreshing and Instagram-worthy breakfast that will leave you feeling energized and ready to seize the day. Next on our list is the Abiu and avocado salad. This unique combination of flavors and textures will have your taste buds dancing with joy. Combine ripe Abiu fruit with creamy avocado slices, fresh arugula, cherry tomatoes, and a sprinkle of feta cheese. Drizzle it with a zesty lemon vinaigrette to tie it all together. It's a refreshing and healthy salad that's perfect for lunch or as a light dinner option. Now, let's satisfy your sweet tooth with a mouth-watering Abiu panna cotta. This creamy and indulgent dessert will impress your guests and leave them craving for more. Combine Abiu fruit puree with coconut milk, a touch of honey, and a dash of vanilla extract. Pour the mixture into small molds and let it set in the refrigerator. Once it's firm, serve with a garnish of fresh Abiu slices and a sprinkle of toasted coconut. Pure heaven. Last but not least, we have a delightful Abiu fruit tart. This visually stunning dessert will take your taste buds on a tropical journey. Create a buttery tart crust, fill it with a creamy Abiu fruit custard, and top it off with fresh Abiu slices and a sprinkle of edible flowers. It's a work of art that's as delightful to look at as it is to eat. So, whether you are a seasoned chef or a kitchen novice, these Abiu fruit recipes are sure to impress and leave you with a newfound appreciation for this tropical gem. Health benefits of Abiu fruit. Now we will be diving into the abundance of health benefits that the Abiu fruit has to offer. Prepare to be amazed as we explore the nutritional powerhouse hidden within this delightful tropical gem. The Abiu fruit, also known as Proteria kaimito, isn't just a sweet and luscious treat for your taste buds, it's also a true gift to your well-being. Let's start by talking about its rich vitamin content. The Abiu fruit is a fantastic source of vitamin C, providing a significant portion of your daily need in just one serving. Vitamin C is a powerful antioxidant that helps strengthen your immune system, protecting your body from harmful free radicals and reducing the risk of infections and illnesses. But that's not all. The Abiu fruit also contains ample amounts of vitamin A, which is essential for maintaining healthy vision, promoting skin health, and supporting proper cell growth and development. One of the standout features of the Abiu fruit is its high fiber content. Dietary fiber plays a crucial role in maintaining digestive health, promoting regular bowel movement, and preventing constipation. Incorporating Abiu fruit into your diet can help keep your digestive system happy and healthy. Now, if you are looking for a natural way to support heart health, look no further than the Abiu fruit. It's rich in potassium, a mineral that helps regulate blood pressure and maintain proper heart function. A diet that includes potassium-rich foods like the Abiu fruit can contribute to a healthier cardiovascular system. For those keeping an eye on their waistline, the Abiu fruit is a fantastic addition to your weight management plan. Its naturally sweet taste can satisfy your sweet cravings without adding excessive calories to your daily intake. Plus, the fiber content helps you feel full and satisfied, preventing overeating. With its impressive array of vitamins, minerals, and fiber, the Abiu fruit can be a versatile addition to your culinary creations. Whether you enjoy it fresh, in smoothies, salads, or even a dessert ingredient, the Abiu can elevate your dishes while nourishing your body. So, next time you are on the hunt for a nutritious and delectable tropical treat, don't overlook the Abiu fruit. It's truly a treasure trove of health benefits. And there you have it, fellow fruit adventurers. Our journey into the vibrant world of the Abiu fruit comes to a sweet conclusion. From its golden yellow allure to its delicious custard-like flesh, the Abiu truly is a tropical delight worth savoring. We have explored the Abiu's fascinating origins, marveled at its impressive health benefits, and indulged in a variety of mouth-watering recipes that showcase its versatility. But this is just the beginning of our exotic fruit escapades. So don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit that notification bell to join us on more exciting journeys into the world of rare and wonderful fruits. Thank you for being a part of our fruit-loving community. Remember, the world of fruits is vast, and we are thrilled to have you with us as we discover new and tantalizing tastes from all corners of the globe. Until next time, keep exploring, keep savoring, and keep embracing the joys of nature's bountiful gifts.